What's going on, guys? So I pose a question to you. Is the Yeezy 350 Boost played out? So what sparked this topic in the first place? As you can see, I have the 3 pairs I own. Adidas restocked a few Yeezys last week. MX Oats right here. I've been wanting to get those for a couple of years since they came out. I just didn't want to pay resale prices. They're going for over $300 in my size. I wear a size 9 in Yeezys. I actually have the Beluga 2.0s and the Sesames. That's the only other 2 Yeezys I've ever had. So it got me wondering, is it played out at this point? You know, controversy in the media when it comes to Kanye and all that, and people feel they're a certain type of way. I just look at the sneakers. All-time great when it comes to comfort. I mean, there's no denying that. If you tell me these aren't some of the most comfortable shoes ever created, you're just talking shit and lying. That was loud, wasn't it? So, now that I have these in hand, this is the first time I'm taking a look at them. I haven't pulled them out the box. I love the color scheme to this. This is the only pair I have that has this see-through mesh portion where you can actually see your sock. But this like oatmeal kind of beige color with the blues and the orange. There, that one. We'll just grab the other one. I was going to the medial side. It just looks really good to me. Has the pull. It's a 2.0 that has the pull tab in the heel. So these did come. I bought these for retail, $230. Has their standard Yeezy Adidas insole. $230 retail from Adidas directly. Got it within like 2 or 3 days. Shipping was quick. I didn't even get a shipping notification or anything like that. I was actually kind of surprised because I thought for sure with Adidas I was going to get like some tracking or something like that. And no, I don't recall ever seeing an email for some tracking or anything. There we go. Now the insole slides in nice and easy. So real quick, we'll take a little look at the others that I do have. Had these for quite some time. I've worn the Beluga 2.0s way more than I've worn the Sesames. I've worn them, just not as much. You can see how much dirtier this sole is. So there was a time when it was like I wanted to rock these just about everywhere I went. So now I officially have 3 pairs, and it's like, man, they are quite clean. I just noticed because this is the different one. These are a similar build. This is the different build because it has that mesh paneling on the side, and the seam is different up the middle and in the rear. It doesn't have the exterior stitching, as I'm just noticing right now. But so I pose the question to you again. In 2024, is the Yeezy Boost 350 played out? Is it still something that you seek out when they drop a new color? Is it still something that you rock on a regular basis? Because I see people wearing them at the gym. I see people wearing them out and about. I haven't been really wearing mine as of late, but I'm actually quite excited to have these because for as weird of and unique of a color as it is, it's a very summery color, and I live by the beach these days. So yeah, as far as the way the Boost, we're in the age of the super foams, and Boost isn't the king of the mountain anymore. Like Zoom, I would consider Zoom X to be the king of the mountain, honestly. And there's different densities to Zoom X. I have like Pegasus Turbos that are a firmer Zoom X versus the Zoom X Infinity runs that are way more squishy and bouncy. But we're in the era of super foams. They have Boost Light now. New Balance has their Fuel Cell, I believe it's called. It's quite springy and cushy. Hoka's have kind of taken over for a lot of people with their soft, squishy foam. We're in the era of the super foam. Jordan Brand has their Flight 23 foam, I believe it's called. There's a lot that's coming out with these different foams. We have Cushline 3.0 just got announced the other day from Nike. So this isn't going to be the king of the crop like it once was when it comes to comfort, but that doesn't change. It's just as comfortable now as it was in 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, and so on. All the years where this was hype beast central, when the Zebras were popping, when the Breads came around. What other ones? that I really, really like that I'd like to get. So the slate grays came around. All the different gray ones I really like. But the frozen yellows I think are highly underrated. I like high-vis yellow. I still would like to get the frozen yellows, the zebras, and the blue tints. I do like all three of those. Those have been around for years. I got to pay resale to get those. But enough of that. We did some B-roll throughout, I'm sure. Let's go throw these bad boys on feet.